Magtsa muna tayo. Magtsa muna tayo. Ay, ayaw may protein. Sarap. May coconut. May sugar. I'm trying to be healthy. Uy, teka muna. Ayaw ko. Sa lahat ng ayaw ko itong one. Kaya minsan, itong aking apple, tipa nyo. Yan. I hate this. They're everywhere. And then I tried many things to get rid of them, but doesn't work. So I have to, chuk-chuk. They pukpuk ko ng pukpuk. But, stone, jack, smash. Sorry, but because you are eating my old plants. Yun, naruro na naman sila. What's my problem in my garden? Did you see? This one, this thing, my husband made this by himself, and then he put the copper on it. They said that it's good for we have that two kinds of snails that eating the plants, and the other one it's just eating the I don't know what the black one eating. But anyway, the brown one, they are very only eating the plants, and that's why somebody in the doon sa flower shop, they recommend that we put this around the copper. This one I will show you. I will buy new. It's quite expensive, but it's worth it. Like that. I don't know if you see. Hindi na. You can see because this is old na. But anyway, the copper, you put round, and they will not come up to eat my tomato. Pag nakikita ko yung mga green, may kaunting planting place, that's my vibes. My vibes. Tsaka yung vibes ko, always walking in the nature. So, as you can see, I have this one. Tama na, inom muna. Nilunok pa eh. Pareho. Tama na, my pants is getting down. Ito, I have this one, the bamboo grass stick. I have in the other side, very malaki, big bush. So every year, I take this out, the brown one, and I made it something. You can see maybe later. And then I put it also in the ground. So at sometimes yung aking mga tomato, pag malalaki na, it will not fall down. So nilalagay ko ito para siya lang parang yung tungkod. But today I will take this out because they are old now. I put this. Now this one is good because it's strong. And this one, as you can see, I put this doon sa between dahil ako may pusa. Yung pusa ko, minsan, napunta dito siya umiihi, tumatai. I don't like that. And then, it works. When I put the bamboo grass in between, he can come. Sorry, Miyu. So today I will prepare this for planting, and one day I will buy something because I saw it in the reklam ang tawag doon, patalastas na meron daw silang mura. Alam mo yung skaduray, pag mura, sugod alagad. Wow. So, I love this feeling. Your feeling. Mang magtanim ay di biro ang lagi ka. You have to help me. What next? Sabi, magtanim ay di biro. If you tanim, if you plant, may anihin. Saan mo ako makikita? Pagka time after time, if you love me, you will find it. Time after time, I will be waiting. Time after time. Dandan, hinay-hinay. Minsan pagka summer, kala nyo walang ang neighbor nasa trabaho. Minsan merong nakasilip lamang. Ang mga Swedish ganun. Pagka dahil sila yun nga, yung introvert na pagka halimbawa sila nasa bahay, ganito ang Swedish. Pag sila nasa bahay, makikita nila, yan, sisilip sa bintana. Timo yung si Kuwang yun. Ano na naman nilang daladala nila. Ganun sila. Tapos, pagka sila nakasilip, mapatingin naman yung daan sa kanila, tuloy, talbugan sila. Pasok uli. Tapos, pagka sila lalabas, paglalabas sila, titingin muna sa paligid. At pag merong tao, siya, sulpo, balik uli para silang umang. Alangan nyo yung umang. Lalabas ang ulo ng umang. Alam niyo yung umang, yung shell na may parang crabs. Kayang makita kayo ng gayon ng crabs. Helmet crabs ang tawag yun. Yung umang ang tawag sa amin. Pag nakita ng umang, kinukuha yun, niluluroan yun. Tapos kakantahan ninyo ng lalabas ang umang. Gayon. Babaro yun. Lalabas ang umang. Babaruan. Sasayahan. Yun. Ewan ko, bakit yun? Ay, paglabas nga ba, di nakasaya. Nakasaya eh. Di nagtinikling. Meron kayong gano'n? Yeah, let me know if you have also umang helmet crab. Nababaruan at sasayahan. Ay, nakaduster paglabas. Charot. Pinatatawa ko ngayon dahil para naman vibes tayo. Ngayon vibes tayo. So, yun. Prepare na. I will not take out this one because I will need this later on to put it in between for my cat, my silly cat, like his mommy. Are nga pala ho. Are ho nga pala raspberry. Raspberry. Yeah. Sus Mariosep. Raspberry. Yung tawag sa English. Sa atin, awang ko kung anong tawag doon. Sa atin walang ganito. Pero yung raspberry, ang tawag daw ito. Baka na lang sa Google. Minsan hindi ko maano yung sa sa English o kaya sa Tagalog. So, ayan. Ito, alisin ko po yung old. I will take this out. The old. Yan o. Yan. Oh. Tsaka matinik ito. Matinik pero this one, the fruit of this raspberry is small and big. But very, delicious. Masarap. Ay, pakikita ko sa inyo, ayan. Ang aking, flower. So, tinanim ko, I plant this. We plant this, this plant 2 years ago. So, now it's getting, yan, flower. Ang tawag dito, rhododendron sa Swedish. I don't know in English. Maybe rhododendron. Rhododendron. Tapos, dito naman, ito. We bought this jasmine many years ago. I think this is 5 years ago or yeah, more than. When it's maliit pa. Now it's like this, bushish bush. But maganda, it's really nice when it's getting blossom. Yan, ito, mga buko pa. Oh, starting. I will show you when it's done. Oh, very it smells so good in the morning, in the night. Oh, this is I love. This is really nice flower also. I forgot what this flower called, but I will maybe look it up. And this is my tree. Yan ang tree ko. Yan, ang tawag dito ay blood book sa Swedish. Kung ita-translate ko, sabihin ito yung blood books. Blood books. Yan, ang ganda ito. Maliit siya, para ito. Tignan nyo. Yan parang lang. Parang tangkay lang. This area is very special. This is for my animal. We buried our animal here, dog and cat. It's very emotional when you are thinking, but in a way, I said this is their place, and I will clean this up later on. Yung kinuha ko lang ito sa dun sa kapitbahay dahil natubo sila sa sa our side. Doon sa aming side, nagtubo siya. Ngayon, hinukay ko. Nilagay ko dito. Yan, malaki na. Dumali na naman itong itong yung shell. I will pick this up, this shell. I don't like you. So, I will smash you. Sorry. You are getting my, yan. Analyze ko yung 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 shell. Alangan naman lutuin ko yung hindi. Kung inaluluto, kung inaisiga, di kayo maganda. Hindi yung pwede. Yun, akin ito, mash. My garden, little garden. Yun, they're starting, ng plants. This is really nice. The thing is, if you have this one for many, it will be like that. But it's good in the garden. And this one also, this is really nice, but it's getting big. That is my grass bamboo. The other grass, the Japanese grass, they called. Maliit pa yung ito when we bought this place, this one grass, it's only like that size. See, now many years ago. I have little pond here, but I will clean also. Too much work, but it's good. May vlog ko naman sa inyo. Hindi mo ako lagi nakaumpot. You know me, I will not be sitting down always. Yan o. You know, my flower. Take this out. So, paano ko kayo pa-update ko sa aking maliit na garden. Maliit na maliit. Ito, ay surprise. Blah! Tipan nyo ito. Yan, bumubukad na siya. My favorite flower. I got this from my son. My birthday gift. Maliit lang. It's too small when he bought it. But now I said I will plant it in the garden and now it's big. Look, really nice. Ganda ng sa inyo ang flowery. Wow. Really nice. I'm very glad. Very happy. So in my bushes, little bit bushes. Yan ang bushes ko, mga flowery, mga flower ko. Ayos din. Ayos din pag may ano po. Kaya nga lamang, nagamasan pa natin. That is my siren. Siren, ang tawag ito. So, yan. So, all the way down. Oh, ganda ng aking. Oh, this is the flower. It's all the way down there. Oh, my smells so good. I love this flower too. Yan. Yan naman, ito. Ito yung bamboo na ginagamit ko minsan sa parang huwag matumba yung halaman. Galing Ito, isa dito. Ito hindi pa sila na bunga, pero ayun na, starting na. Okay, tampan yun, kagubat pa. Pero I will clean this also extra. Yan, tingnan nyo yung bulaklak ko. Ganda nitong bulaklak kong ito. Ito din na kala ko ito damo. Ay sabi ko sa aking asawa, ay huwag itatapon at aking itatanim. Ayan, naging pala na may bulaklak. Kaya, huwag tayong magtatapon pag hindi natin kilala. Malay nyo, yan. So, I have to clean this up also one day. But today, it's too much for me, maybe. Yeah, because I already get the time doon at the back. Oh, and this one also is the berry. The raspberry that I plant. That's another. This one is also the jasmine. I got that from the big one. So mga kaduray, this is it. I have to end this video now, but see you in my next vlog video. Good luck.